right, let's take a look at this Wednesday's price action and kind of go through it. So this is the end of yesterday, so Tuesday's price action going into Wednesday's morning. So this is the evening session, 12-hour session. I went ahead and marked the bottom of that session here, and then the top of the session here as we're coming into the shift at the change there. You can see the price came back down and tested the 21. We didn't really have a lot of opportunities. The market was opening up. We could go ahead and look at the stochastics that were coming back through here, and if depending on how you wanted to trade this, you did get the cross here on the RSI. You got stochastics come back through and the cross on the MACD, which would be considered bullish. You could use that signal and go into the 1 minute and look at taking this potential trade up, and that run up, and then it just flattened out after it came out of the top. So this was the top or the high from last night when we would have got in that trade. Is saw it come through it and then traded back down. You could have entered it depending on when you entered in. We do want to see it clear this area or clear the bottom area first. Once it cleared this, we knew we had a pretty strong chance for an actual potential trade here. So that was the run up. Now you see this price action through here. This was because of a news event, and you could see the market said to short this. Right here, we did get the drop back down and this drop, and you could find the opportunity to take the short in the 15-minute. Now, this one candle wicked all the way up and took out the top here, and wicked all the way down and took out all this bottom liquidity as well. So it did clear out both sides. That's the one thing when you have news events. So Jerome Powell speaking. That's what was going on here. And then you can see after that event, though, we did get a setup again where the RSI was setting back up. So you had this basically the flag going on again, this bull flag in here on the RSI. We expect this to move on up here, fire through. We got the cross on the 15, and the MACD was going to cross at that time. If you go down to the 1 minute, it did actually give us this flag in here, potential, and then it ran on up. And most trades on this opportunity would have taken out right here. You can see that it's still pushing on up, basically created a flat top and then pushed it on up. Through here, we stayed above on RSI to have continuation after we had to turn through here, and we're also bullish on the moving averages. So the fast moving average is on top of the slow moving average, and we're on top of the zero line. So that's bullish on both of that part of the indicator on the MACD. So we can see this firing up into the evening. Looks like we probably could get up to somewhere up in this area here, the 87 range, and maybe see 88. Would not surprise me. We could kind of run up here. It could start to burn out right here as well. We could use the 5 minute and see if it does break down through the 5 minutes 21 in order to get out of that continuation trade. So not a lot going on today. You got a lot of harder signals to read. A lot of times when there's a news event, that's kind of what's going on. And if you're reading your TA and looking for opportunity, you can see I kind of pointed out some of the more advanced styles of trading where you could pull a little bit more information from your current indicators. The one thing is, though, it wasn't just outright clear where it broke the 21, backed us to the 21 idea and fired. It was kind of rough in that area. So using the RSI with this fast moving average crossing through the slow moving average helped us out with the MACD and the stochastics together, helped us take these opportunities. And then again, using the 1 minute and 5 minute to take those as well. So this would have been a good day to probably sit on the sidelines with anytime you have Powell from the Reserve speaking anywhere. A lot of times when that happens, you'll see high volatility in the market where things are just going up and down, and it's better just to kind of stay away from it and wait for things to settle than look for opportunity again when it presents itself. So that's about it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on Thursday's video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That helps just build the content and continues to share the channel on the YouTube. Thank you guys.